this is Star Control.
Star Control, this is Centaur 1. Go.
Ship in distress reported at 7039 North. No speeder heading available. Squawking 3264. Call sign Norseman.
Centaur 1 is about 20 minutes out. Working. Star Control, Centaur 1, positive radar contact. Small ship, bearing 270, 27 miles. Norseman, this is Centaur 1 on guard. I show you at 7039 North, no speed or direction. Confirm, over.
Centaur 1, Northman. Location confirmed. Thanks for finding.
No worries, Norseman. Quebec and Coast Guard to your position. ETA, 15 minutes. We will set overwatch until they arrive.
Whatever your mission demands, Centaur delivers. Centaur by Aurora Flight Sciences combines the best of piloted, remotely piloted, and hybrid flight capabilities. It includes an ISR sensor suite with a multi-mode AESA surveillance radar, stabilized HD EO/IR system, and dual AIS receiver. Centaur is a highly reliable platform, developed around a twin-engine general aviation aircraft and featuring a triplex flight control system, dual redundant primary flight controls, and an automated contingency management system. With 16-hour mission endurance and robust payload capacity that can loiter on less than 8 gallons of gas per hour, the system is highly cost-effective and easily deployed, making Centaur a versatile airborne sensing platform for a wide range of missions. Whether it's search and rescue, environmental research, defense, or law enforcement. Whatever your mission demands, Centaur delivers.